I'm up here in Southern Oregon looking at this Alliance Paradigm. This is a 372 RK floor plan. So this fifth wheel's this is a little over 40 feet long. It's got a 13-foot 4-inch height, a dry weight of 13,372 pounds, a GVWR of 16,800. Hitch weight on this is 2,666 pounds. You can see it's got the Lippert 6-point level up system. So this is a pretty cool system. It prevents you from twisting your chassis. You've got points in front of the axles and points just behind the axles, and just gives you a really nice hydraulic leveling system. This coach also has the Azdel composite substrate, so it's the high gloss sidewalls with Azdel composite. So you're no Luan. It's mold and rot resistant. Has a little bit better R value. You've got the Lippert solid step. We're walking the living room here, and got power sofa, or power recline sofa. And in the kitchen we've got our double refrigerator. So this sofa, that's a hide-a-bed there, and entertainment with our electric fireplace. That sofa there is also a pull-out. Over here in the kitchen we've got our Insignia range, microwave, and oven. Lots of really nice counter space and a lot of storage. Got a lot of cupboards, lots of cabinets, stainless steel sink, single basin with a pull-out faucet there. There's that Norcold double door refrigerator. This is 120 and propane refrigerator. Double freezer door as well. Really nice refrigerator. Got our blackout shades. All the drawers in this coach are also soft close. Got our two-seat dinette with two more chairs stored under the master bed. We'll check out this entertainment system. There's your electric fireplace. Pretty cool. Got your LG TV and Jensen sound system. Up here is the bathroom. We've got foot flush toilet with a soft close toilet seat. Another stainless steel single basin sink. Fantastic fans. Got a king size bed in here. In the slide out. In the front closet here, we're pre-wired and pre-plumbed for washer dryer. So over here we've got our hookups for washer dryer. Well, for a washer anyway. There's your plug and your plumbing. Then over here we've got our location for the dryer vent and a plug there as well. Each side of the bed. And there we've got our TV. 3 air conditioners in this coach, so all Coleman Mach air conditioners with your own control there. So yeah, each side of the bed has their own USB and 110 outlets. Really great having the bed in the slide out. You have a nice flat headboard. Hallway storage with 5 shelves. And this just overlooking the kitchen and living room. It's a 3 slide out unit. I've got our control panel here, your slides and awnings and water heater. Some storage up above and storage below. Here's your air conditioner and heater controls. Got two nice big awnings on this, one over the slide out and then your main awning on the sidewall. This coach has G-rated tires, really nice 14 ply, 4,400 pound rated tires. That fiberglass sidewall, really nice. We're also riding on the MorRyde CRE-3000 suspension system. 2-inch torsion tube. It's welded to the I-beam. And the MorRyde heavy-duty 1/2-inch thick shackles with the wet bolt kit. You can see in this storage, this is a massive storage, and look how they do their welds. They've got all nice cross members, not just aluminum beams, but their cross members are welded as well. Dual propane tanks, so 30-pound cylinders. There's your wet bay, your level up. That's the other side of that massive front storage. And here's your other propane cylinder. Really nice coach here. Got some outlets, cable connections. They give you a clean out. See there on that on all those plumbing fixtures, they give you there's a look at those welds. Really nicely done on this aluminum framework. Just taking a peek back behind at the plumbing, and there's the water heater and furnace back there. Got a hose outlet here for your quick connect and barbecue. We got a 300-pound tongue and a 3,000-pound pole on this receiver in the back. TPO roof. TPO on the slide out roofs as well. All the seams are done with a Turnabond. Dual interstate batteries, dual 12-volt interstate batteries. Here's the cut sheet for that Alliance Paradigm 372 RK. I'll go in tight on the floor plan. There's your specs. You guys can pause and read some of this stuff. All in all, a really nice coach. Alright, well, thanks for watching this video, my walkthrough on this Alliance Paradigm 372 RK. Really nice fifth wheel. Alliance seems to be a really good company. Again, privately owned company, and they seem to be a little bit different than most major manufacturers. So we'll see how they do as time goes on. They're fairly new company, so wish them the best. But anyway, thanks for watching, and we'll catch you on the next one. Later.